At the University of Oulu, we pioneer in the next generation of wireless communication. We are global leaders in 6G research. We accelerate innovation and help transform innovation into reality. "6G isn't just faster, it's smarter, more immersive, more secure with seamless global coverage. 6G will redefine every aspect of life, and we are at the front line of that development." As a key contributor to NATO's Diana initiative, we provide a proving ground to test and validate ideas that will define our future. With access to public and critical communication networks, you'll get an effective platform to advance dual-use technologies. We help ideas become breakthroughs. We empower solutions that redefine resilience and national security. We're inviting the bold, the visionaries, the pioneers. Join us. Let's build the future together.